so this is North Quad. It is purely residential. Right here we have Brandon Hall, Hepburn Hall, and then over here is McFarland. You will also notice that over there, that is Martin Dining Commons, and North Quad actually extends up further where there are about 3 or 4 more just residential halls. As this is East Quad, where we have Collins Hall, Denison, McBride, Dorsey. This is the Farmer School of Business, and then that over there would also be considered East Quad. It is Sims. Obviously, all of these halls are residential except for Farmer School of Business. So, over there you can also see the Markham Hotel. Okay, so this right here is Central Quad. Most of these buildings are housed by sororities on campus. This building that's currently under construction is McCracken. It's like the building that Miami's known for. But yeah, these are all residential. Okay guys, so this is South Quad. This is also all residential, and I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to talk over the construction. That is Dodds, Stanton, connected to Anderson, and then Porter, which is obviously under construction. And then this is the back of McCracken from Central that is also under construction. Guys, so one of the first things I want to show you is my residence hall. It is Tappan Hall. It is one that hasn't been renovated as recently, so honestly, my friends' dorms that I've been in and stuff are a lot nicer than this one. It's still not terrible, it's actually pretty nice, but in comparison to others, it could be better. So, this is the entrance, and I'm gonna take you guys inside. Okay guys, so this is the basement of my residence hall, Tappan. It's just a cool little place to hang out, like a little lobby, and around the corner I'm gonna show you guys the kitchenette and rec room. Okay, also in the basement of Tappan, this is our rec room. As you can see, we have a piano, TV, there is a pool table, foosball, and around the corner there's ping pong. Just a few little fun things to do. So here is the kitchenette, also in the basement of Tappan. Down here and hang out and just make some things at night. So every residence hall at Miami has their own laundry. It is $1.75 to wash and then $1.75, and that does come off of your account that you load money onto. And okay, when you walk into Tappan, this is the lobby. As I said before, it is not one of the ones that is. But over here, every resident has their mailbox, and then
Hi guys, so this is one of the bathrooms in Tappan.
They all look the same. So yeah, that is my hall, Tappan Hall. Okay, so this is our dorm. It comes with a fridge. You do have to supply your own microwave, and then you get a desk, chair, bed, and dresser for each side. That's my roommate Jalen. If you can't tell, we've decorated for Halloween, so things are a little more chaotic in here at the moment. But yeah, I was going to talk about this TV cart. It's just a random cart. I think I got it from Walmart, and definitely check on the sides of your dorm, but it's really nice for us because it has the perfect little spot, and then we can watch TV in the middle of the room. Also, this curtain that comes down, and it can obviously come all the way down, but it's really nice because it's a cave in here when it is closed. The closets were honestly a little bigger than I expected, which is really nice. As far as shoe storage, I just have mine down in the bottom. And then I love all this extra space up here that we can use to store stuff. Baskets like these are really nice. I just have like pajamas and stuff in that one, and then dishes and stuff that I need in the other. If you're a girl, I'd also get like a jewelry organizer like this because that's really helpful. And then I have this hanging one too, which is nice. And definitely under the bed storage is important. Maybe this one is obvious, but I have a lot of food under there, laundry basket, stuff like that. lastly, I want to talk about Miss Keisha, which is our fish. And yeah, it's really nice that we're allowed to have fish. It's really nice to have a doorstop if you just want to talk with people in your hall, or honestly just to prop your door to use the restroom. If you're a girl, you definitely want to get like a makeup / magnifying mirror, because that's nice to be able to do it at your desk and everything. Miami also provides these mirrors, which are nice too. Definitely an umbrella. We have a ton of power strips in our room, and at Miami you just have to make sure that they're UL certified. So at Miami we aren't allowed to put anything on the walls unless it's molding putty, which is what's holding these spider webs up, or S-hooks on this strip. And every room has a strip, and they're called S-hooks, but they can also be called molding hooks, and they look like this. They actually aren't that easy to find, but my roommate and I found ours at Ace Hardware. So yeah, this is our dorm. I also want to say, I know that finding a roommate can be a little stressful. Jalen and I actually went to elementary school together and then found each other online again. But I did have a couple girls that I really liked talking to on the freshman Facebook page at Miami. So definitely check that out if that's what you decide to do.